Good morning, children. In the last class, when we were doing the first lesson, we have already learnt about singular and plural nouns. What are singular nouns? What are plural nouns? And what are the rules to convert singular nouns to plural nouns? So, again, we are going to give a revision to those nouns. This is in your grammar textbook, children, page number 21. Singular and plural nouns. Nouns have two numbers, singular or plural. A noun which refers to one person, one animal, one place or one thing is singular in number. So example, you can see, children, there is one girl over here. We call her as girl. One cat, cat. One road, road. And one box, that's called as box. So when you have one of any kind of noun, only one in number, that is called as singular noun. A noun which refers to more than one person, animal, place or thing is plural. So here if you see the next pictures, children, there are two girls, that is more than one. So we call as girls. Next picture, two cats. We call as cats, not cat. Roads, number of roads connected. So that is roads, not road. Boxes, 1, 2, 3 boxes are over here. So you call them as boxes, not as box. So singular is box, plural is boxes. Singular is road, plural is roads. Singular is cat and plural is cats. Singular is girl and plural is girls. Did you understand? We have already learnt about how to convert singular nouns to plural nouns. What are the rules behind them? Let us give a recap. Making plural nouns. We can make plurals from singular nouns in many ways. So first example is by adding s. If you look at the first picture, this is a girl. You call as girl. Second picture, two girls. You added an s to make it girls. So sometimes you can add s to make a singular noun to plural. Here few examples are given. Table, tables. Just s is added to make it plural. Flower, flowers. Student, students. Room, rooms. So s is added to the singular noun to make it plural in some cases. And second is by adding es to singular nouns. Now if you look at this box example, children, when there is only one box, that is singular, we call it as box. When there are more than one boxes, we call them as boxes. So what is the change in the spelling? To the word box, es is added. So singular is box, plural is boxes. So sometimes es is added to singular nouns to make them plural. Examples are given. Kiss, when es is added, kisses. Glass, es is added, glasses. Watch, es is added, watches. Catch, es is added, catches. So kiss is a singular noun, kisses is the plural form. Glass, singular, glasses, plural. Watch, singular, watches, plural. Catch, singular, catches, plural. Did you understand, children? In some cases, es is added to make the singular nouns plurals. Now few more examples of converting singular nouns to plural nouns, children. When a word ends with y and before y if there is no vowel, you replace the y with ies. Example, city, C-I-T-Y. The word is ending with the letter y and before y the letter is t. T is a consonant. So you replace y with ies. It becomes cities. Similarly, fly, F-L-Y. Y is the letter ending and before Y the letter is L. L is a consonant. So you replace Y with IES. Fly is singular. Flies is plural. Cry, singular. Cries, plural. So sometimes when there is no vowel before the last letter, if it is Y, you replace it with IES to make a word plural. The next rule, by changing F or FE at the end of singular nouns into VE. Now if a noun ends with F or FE, you replace that F or FE with VE or VES, children. Here you can see thief, THIEF. It's ending with F. So to make it into plural, F is replaced with VES. That becomes thieves. So thief is singular, thieves is plural. Wolf, singular, wolves, plural. Knife, singular, knives, plural. Wife, singular, wives, plural. Did you observe how F or FE are replaced with VE or VES? Next rule, by changing a vowel. So in place of one vowel, the other vowel is replaced. Man, men. A is replaced in man with E in men. Foot, feet. O is replaced in foot with E in feet. Woman, women. A in woman is replaced with E in women. So vowels are changed. Next, by adding en or ren to singular nouns. Example is ox. It's one ox. Singular noun. To make it plural or more than one, you add en. It becomes oxen. Child. Only one. To make it plural, ren is added. That becomes children. Next rule. Some nouns have the same form for singular and plural examples. So some nouns don't change in singular and both plural forms, children. Example, sheep. In singular form is sheep. In plural form also it is sheep. Deer, deer. Fish, fish. These are few examples. Now based on these rules, we have exercises in our grammar textbook in page 22 and 23, children. A bit. Tick the correct plurals of the following singular nouns. Bamboo. The plural is, you just add an S. Bamboos. I have ticked over the word. Correct word you need to tick in the same way. Story. Y is replaced with IES. Stories. Dash. ES is added. Dashes. Tooth. O vowel is replaced with E. Teeth. Blackboard. Just S is added. Blackboards. Photo. Again only S is added. Photos. Loaf. F is replaced with VES. Loaves. Calendar. Just S is added. Calendars. Shelf. F is replaced with VES. Shelves. Belt. S is added. Belts. Shirt. S is added. Shirts. Pony. Y is replaced with IES. Ponies. Batch. ES is added. Batches. Army. Y is replaced with IES. Armies. Cattle. It's cattle in plural form also. There is no change. Baby. Y is replaced with IES. Babies. Chimney. Just S is added to make it plural. Lady. Y is replaced with IES. Ladies. Batsman. Vowels are changed. A in man, A is replaced with E. Batsmen. Scratch. ES is added. Scratches. Cuckoo. Just S is added. Cuckoos. Mouse. The spelling completely changes. Mice. MICE. Did you understand? Now this is the next page. Page number 23, children. Few more words are there. Leaf. F is replaced with VES. Leaves. Volcano. ES is added. volcanoes. Place, S is added, places. Branch, ES is added, branches. Fisherman, man, A is replaced with E, men, fishermen. Tray, just S is added, trace. Bridge, S is added, bridges. Sea, S is added, seas. Did you understand the plural forms and their proper spellings, children? Now we have B bit. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences using the plural forms of the nouns given in the brackets. Now in the nouns, these words are in singular forms in the brackets, children. These singular forms, we need to convert them to plural forms and fill in these blanks. The incident was reported to the college. Authority is singular and plural is authorities. Y is replaced with IES. Authority is changing to authorities. Tea is made from the dash of the tea plant. Leaf. The plural is leaves. F is replaced with VES. Tea is not a good drink for dash, but it is good for grown-ups. Child is the singular form and plural form REN is added, children. Dash that cause malaria are found in many parts of the world. Mosquito is the singular form and plural form is mosquitoes. ES is added. One day when Ali Baba was in the forest, he saw 40 men on dash. They looked like dash. Horse is the singular form and horses is the plural form. Just S is added. Thief is the singular form and thieves is the plural form. F is replaced with VES. The man was punished for stealing the dash. Ox is the singular form. Oxen is the plural form. EN is added. The dash played with the dash. Woman is the singular form. Women is the plural form. So A in women is replaced with E in women to make it plural. Baby is the singular form. Babies, plural form. Y is replaced with IES. A heavy mist was seen over the dash. Valley is the word and the plural is valleys. Just S is added. The baker put the burnt dash on the dash. Loaf is the singular form and in plural loaves. F is replaced with VES. Shelf is the singular form. In plural form shelves. F is replaced with VES. The cyclist received serious dash when his cycle collided with a car. Injury is the singular form and the plural form is injuries. Y is replaced with IES. Did you all understand singular and plural forms, children?